In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen of the invitation, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by this enjoy your stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Enjoy the surroundings. Online and enjoy your stay. Travel dates and offers are available online for this property along with